how to set up a donation. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to set up a donation in your Twitch account. In order to set up a donation in your Twitch account, you can follow the simple steps. So I'm gonna show you in a different link. So what you need to do is you could go ahead and use a third-party donation platform as well. You can sign up for a donation platform like PayPal or Streamlabs, customize your donation page and get the donation link or visit code as well. Then you could go ahead and install the extension on your Twitch, enter the code and customize the button. Or else you could go and set up your paypal.me link in your business account, create a paypal.me, and through that you can do it. First thing first, you could go and sign up for a donation platform. Then you could go and customize your donation page. Now you could get the donation link or visit code like mentioned before, either from a third party or a PayPal. Then sign in into your Twitch account. So you could get the donation link from a Streamlab maybe. You could just go to the link that is streamlabs.com and sign in into your account by going to the Streamlabs section. Here you could go ahead and create a donation platform, and this way you could go ahead and save it. So likewise, you could sign in. Then once you've done creating your donation platform from a Streamlabs, then sign in into your creator's dashboard and click the extension tab. Now you could go ahead and install the extension, enter the donation link or visit code, customize the button appears and placement, save the changes, and with that you've successfully set up donation on your Twitch account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.